Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can install the LAMP server in a Linux Mint machine. To get started, you first have to check if you have internet connection. As you can see here, you have got the internet connection up and running. Simply we have to get started by opening the command terminal as follows. After opening the terminal, you have to issue the command as follows. You have sudo apt-get install lamp server with a caret over there, and you can pass the yes option in short like that. Then press enter. You have to put the sudo password for that account and press enter again. Wait for the installation to proceed. Oh yes, we are almost there. As you can see, the percentage of installation process over there. Let's wait. Oh yes, our installation is over, as you can see there. In this particular case, the MySQL server was already there, so can just check for the PHP version installed, like this one, PHP version. Simply you have it, and the Apache 2 version, like that one, we have that. And of course MySQL version, we have it there. So in this particular case, as I've said, the MySQL server was already inside there. So to confirm that we have a LAMP server up and running, we can move and open up a browser like Chrome. Let's say we have Chrome over there, and then once the browser is open, we can visit the localhost or the loopback address by typing 127.0.0.0.1, like that one. And let's see, yes, here we have it, Apache Ubuntu. This confirms that we have successfully installed the LAMP server in our machine. Simply we can visit the same page by just typing localhost instead of that IP address. Localhost, like this one. There we have it. So until the next lesson, see you then.